Well, here's another one of those oddball projects that show up in my shop with some marked off area that they'd like some material removal. Now, you can see we got some offsetting going on with this hole. That's fine. I'm just gonna do it like this for now, just to kind of get it rough set, and then we'll figure out the details later. So we'll just snug it up like that, slide this out of the way. We'll just use this dial indicator here as a pointer. If we start right on this edge here, and we go about 90 degrees, we can see this piece has got to shift that way. And so that's what we'll do. Right about there. Snug it up. Continue on rolling. And we can see we come off our line. So that means it's got to come this way now. Oh, we're getting pretty close. There we go. Now we can spin this around and we'll just bump it until it's running true here. What's going on with my dial? Did we did we get it running within a thou just like that? Well, I'll be damned. You guys saw it there with your own eyes. All right, so we'll go with it. We're not gonna ask any questions. So I'm just gonna snug these up now. Oh, he's so close. Oh yeah. Let's take a quick measurement before we have a party over this. Bang, we are right on the money. Let's come in here, let's put a nice little chamfer. Just like that. All right. Break our nasty little edges that we just made. Deburr these holes a little bit. Now I can go ahead, give this a quick wash, and I'm personally gonna run down the street and deliver this to them so they can get their project on the go. So that was it. That's another one of those quickies. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you later.